Yo, listen up. Ever thought about making some sweet moolah just by messing around on your phone? Well, you're in luck. This video is gonna show you how to do exactly that. There's this cool app that hooks you up with actual cash and sweet deals every day, and all you gotta do is some super simple stuff. No BS, no annoying surveys, it's the real deal for scoring free money on your phone. I've been playing around with it for a bit, and let me tell you, it's a piece of cake. If you're down to make some extra dough without breaking a sweat, you should totally give it a shot. Trust me, it's worth a look. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of our awesome videos. I'm always dishing out cool and super effective ways to make some cash online. The best part? You can do this stuff from pretty much anywhere on the planet. It'd be awesome if you could drop a comment below telling me which country you're tuning in from. That way, I can whip up some videos tailored to your region. Now, let's get started. Want to make some easy cash? Check out Scratch2Earn free app that lets you earn real money and cool prizes just by using it every day. Imagine the thrill of winning real money without spending a dime. That's exactly what the Scratch2Earn app offers you. This isn't just another game. It's a revolutionary lottery scratch card simulator that puts actual cash and valuable coupons in your pocket. Every single day, you have the chance to scratch your way to exciting prizes. You can try your luck as many times as you want. So, why should you check out Scratch2Earn? Well, let me break it down for you. First off, it's totally free to grab and play around with. No need to fork over any cash up front. Plus, when you're ready to cash out, it's super easy. They've got low withdrawal limits and they actually pay up, no funny business. You've got tons of options to get your money too, like Google Play or Amazon gift cards, PayPal, Paytm, Alipay, or even Cash App. Oh, and did I mention it looks pretty sweet? The design's awesome and the gameplay's a blast. So why not give Scratch2Earn a shot? You'll have a great time playing, and you might even make some real money or snag some cool vouchers while you're at it. It's up to you what you want to get out of it. Cool, right? Why wait? Download now and join thousands of satisfied users who are already reaping the rewards. With Scratch2Earn, you're not just playing, you're earning. Don't miss out on this risk-free opportunity to boost your income and enjoy the rush of winning. Start scratching and start earning today. Before we wrap up, we have a quick request for you. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who might also be interested. Your support helps us create more informative content just like this. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos about making money methods. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.